Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Fisher again. So you already watched the figurative language slides and the video that I sent on YouTube, and now we're going to go over this worksheet. So first, let's put our name at the top. Okay, and I'm going to let it read the old year to you.
By Nemo. The old year. It passed like the breath of the night wind away. It fled like a mist at the dawn of the day. It lasted its moment, then backwards was hurled. Another increase to the age of the world. It passed with its shadows, its smiles, and its tears. It passed as a stream to the ocean of years. Years that were coming, were here, and are o'er. The ages departed to visit no more. It passed, but the bark on its billowy track leaves an impression on waters aback. The glow of the gloaming remains on the sky, unwilling to leave us, unwilling to die. It fled, but away and away in its wake there lingers something that time cannot break. The past and the future are joined by a chain, and memories live that must ever remain. End of poem. This recording.
All right. So the first question, it says write down one simile from the poem above. So remember, simile uses the word like. Oh boy, sorry, just bear with me. Like, or the word as. Okay, so let's go and see. So I see the word like, or I see the word as. So you can pick which one. I am going to do this one. It passed like the breath of the night wind away. So I'm going to type that. So you can press select and type it. So one simile is it passed like the breath of the night wind away. Okay. The next thing, it says, what comparison is the simile making? So it's comparing what? If you look, first it's comparing the breath, or a breath, sorry, of the night. Sorry again. So it's comparing a breath and the night wind. All right. So now I want you to think, what do you think that simile means? Okay. And then I want you to come down to 4 and 5. So it says, what is one example of a personification from the poem? Remember, personification gives something a human characteristic. Okay? So I want you to try this one for yourself. So then number 5, it says, what is being personified, and what image does the personification help you to see, hear, smell, taste, or feel? So there are a few of them, and I want you to answer them as best as you can. Make sure you use complete sentences and use capital letters and punctuation. If you have any questions, let me know. But when you are done, you are going to submit it, and I will check it. All right, have a great rest of your day. Thank you.